You gotta be joking. Oh. Did these just break? There's a countdown, but... these two don't... Do these not work?
Wait.
Never mind.
Wait. Traveling south.
This one was having issues too.
Wait. Traveling south. Wait.
These two buttons were having issues. What the hell? Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait.
They still work, but they're acting up really weird.
Wait. Traveling south. Wait. Traveling south.
That is weird. Okay, that one's counting. That one over there isn't doing anything. It's just red. Just red, nothing else. Let's just hope it works this time.
Wait.
But this button over there and that button over here got stuck. It just wouldn't turn on. I could push on it and there was nothing. Watch that.
What sign is on to cross?
What the fuck?
Wait.
It said walk sign is on to cross again. Those two aren't counting anymore. It's doing nothing. They're showing signs of life, but that's about as far as it goes. Watch this. Let's see if it does it again.
What sign is on to cross?
Okay.
What sign is on to cross?
It's doing no countdown. This button over here was doing the countdown earlier. These two aren't doing anything. Neither is this button.
Wait.
Something's wrong. See, none of these are counting. Let's see if this one is responsive.
Wait. Traveling south.
It's responsive.
What sign is on to cross? What sign is on to cross?
Yeah, I think these buttons might be broken or very faulty looking. These have been behaving extremely weird all day, and I just realized that button's acting up, that button's acting up, and the one on the very far area is like the source to all the problems here. That's not good. But I know these buttons right here do work. Why is that section having issues?
Wait. Traveling south.
See? This one's okay. It's just dirty. Just dirty. But these three are all acting up. This one's okay though. This one's fine.
Wait.
I think these buttons might need to be replaced. These three are all messed up.
Wait.
They're not beeping. And this one over here is the only one that was beeping right. And it's doing the walk sign correctly. And it's counting down. That's how I know that these buttons are messed up. No, not these three. These three are fine.
21.
That's how I know those three over there are messed up. This one's beeping too.
Wait. Traveling south.
Yeah, those three might be broken, so, or more messed up than all the others. They don't do the countdown, and they're stuck. And one of the buttons ended up getting stuck for a bit until I pushed it again. Watch this again. We're gonna do it one more time.
What sign is on?
Okay, that side's working fine. Yep, I've come to the conclusion that those three are messed up.
21.
This one's always been messed up.
8.
That's it. Alright, we're testing it one more time. But those two are definitely faulty, and this one right here has issues. These used to work so well back when they were still new. Now here we are a few years later, and these buttons have problems.
What sign is on to cross? 28.
Okay, must have been a bug.
26. 25.
Because this
24,
button
25.
and that one have their issues. Or they just didn't respond right away. Circuit breaker failure.
Wait. Traveling south. Wait. Traveling south. Wait. Walk sign is on to cross.